Hi everyone, and welcome back to English Flow Studio. I'm Emma, and it feels really good to spend this time with you.
And I'm Ryan. We're happy you're here with us again today.
If you enjoy learning with us, please follow or subscribe. It helps more learners find this calm and simple space.
And it keeps me from panicking alone in airports.
Today, we're doing something different. We're not teaching airport procedures. No long steps, no confusing rules. We're talking about the real problems travelers face and the English that actually helps in those stressful moments.
Yes, the honest, uncomfortable moments, the ones textbooks never talk about.
Let's start with one almost everyone knows. Many travelers feel anxious when an announcement starts because the sound is unclear and the message disappears into noise.
Gate 2? Something? Final call? I understand 0%.
That's completely normal. Airports are loud, the speakers echo, and the voice often sounds distant. The important thing is knowing how to ask for help clearly.
And calmly, not like me.
Excuse me, I didn't understand the announcement. Could you tell me the gate for flight 325?
Of course, your flight is boarding at gate B17.
B17? Thank you. Is it close to this area?
Yes, just go straight and follow the signs on the right.
Repeating the gate number, B17, helps fix it in your mind. It also shows the staff you are listening carefully.
I repeated at least 3 times because my brain deletes information under pressure.
You're not alone. Many people do the same. Another problem that makes people stressed is when the gate changes without a clear announcement. It happens more often than travelers expect.
Yes, you finally sit down, open a snack, and suddenly everyone from your gate is gone.
And then you wonder if the flight left without you. Here's how to check quickly and politely. Hi, has the gate changed for flight 861?
Yes, it moved from A12 to C9.
From A12 to C9? Thank you. Is C9 in this direction?
Yes, just walk straight and turn right. You'll see the signs above you.
Saying the old and new gate numbers, A12 to C9, helps make sure you heard correctly.
And it stops you from walking proudly to A12 while your flight leaves from the other side of the airport.
That has happened to many people.
Too many, including me.
This next one is very common because airports have many lines that look similar. Security, boarding, document check, and the signs are not always clear.
And sometimes the line just looks right, so you follow everyone else.
And then you discover it's the wrong one after waiting for 10 or 20 minutes.
I once stood in the business class line. I felt confident until the staff looked at me.
Here's the simple English that solves the problem immediately. Sorry, is this the line for security?
No, this is the line for boarding. Security is on the left side.
Oh, thank you. I'll go there now.
You're welcome.
Short questions like this help you avoid confusion and save a lot of time.
And they stop you from standing in the wrong line, pretending you belong there.
We've all had that moment.
Yes. And now we can avoid it.
You know, even after you find the right line, the airport still has these little moments that make your heart jump for no reason.
Yes, especially the moments when you think everything is fine. And then something unexpected happens.
Exactly. And there's one sound that makes almost every traveler nervous.
I think I know which one you mean.
The security beep. That tiny sound feels louder than an alarm.
Many learners tell me they feel embarrassed when the machine beeps, but it's actually very normal.
Every time it happens, I feel guilty. even when I didn't do anything wrong.
And the security staff is usually very calm about it. You just need a simple question to understand what to do next. Do I need to remove my belt or watch?
Yes, please remove your belt and try again.
Okay, I'll take it off and go through once more.
Great. You're all clear now.
Short, calm questions help the staff guide you. And using phrases like, go through once more, keeps the conversation simple and polite.
I wish someone had taught me that sentence years ago.
Most people learn it the hard way.
And speaking of learning the hard way, there's another moment that catches people by surprise.
The liquids. This is one of the most common airport problems. People forget that liquids must be under 100 milliliters. It happens all the time, even to experienced travelers.
Yes, I once brought a full bottle of shampoo. A big bottle.
And the security staff had to take it?
Yes, and they looked so gentle that I felt worse about wasting the shampoo.
Here's the useful English for this situation. Can I put this in my checked luggage?
If you already checked your luggage, you'll need to leave the bottle here.
Okay, I understand. I'll leave it. Thank you.
No problem.
When you say, I understand, the conversation ends calmly and respectfully, and the staff always appreciate that.
It also helps you accept your fate when your favorite shampoo goes to shampoo heaven.
Yes, and it prepares you for another stressful moment many people face right after this one.
The famous one?
Yes, the suitcase on the scale.
The scale at check-in, my personal enemy.
A lot of travelers feel stressed because the number decides if you need to pay extra. But the conversation can be simple.
And short. Short is good for my heart.
Here's the English that works every time. How much is the extra fee if my bag is overweight?
It's 12 euros per extra kilo.
Can I move some items to my carry-on?
Yes, you can repack here.
Great. I'll move a few things. Thank you.
You're welcome. Take your time.
Emma, phrases like extra fee, repack here, and move some items are very common in airports. Knowing them keeps the conversation calm and clear.
And it gives you a chance to quietly hide your heavy shoes in your backpack.
As long as you don't hurt your shoulders.
That's a different problem, but at least the English part is easier now. You know, after you survive the suitcase drama, you feel like the hardest part of the trip is over.
Yes, checking in, security, the scale, all of that takes a lot of energy.
But then you sit down on the plane, take a deep breath, and think, okay, now I can relax.
Until the flight attendant walks toward you.
Yes, and suddenly I forget all my English.
Many learners feel the same, so let's look at that moment. The question usually sounds simple, chicken or beef. But with engine noise, masks, and accents, it's easy to miss.
And then you panic and nod and end up with the meal you didn't want.
Here's how to stay calm.
Chicken or beef?
Sorry, could you say that again?
Chicken or beef?
Chicken, please.
Sure. One chicken.
The phrase, could you say that again, is simple, polite, and works in any situation.
I use it at least twice on every flight.
And it also prepares you for the most serious conversation at the airport.
Ah, yes. The moment that makes even confident travelers nervous.
Immigration. Immigration officers speak clearly, but the questions can feel stressful because you want to answer correctly.
And the room is quiet. Very quiet. My brain does not like quiet rooms.
It's normal to feel a little pressure, but the questions are usually simple and you don't need long answers.
Short answers help you stay calm and make the conversation smooth.
Let's do a clear example.
Purpose of your visit?
Tourism.
How long will you stay?
7 days.
Where will you stay?
Here's my hotel booking.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Immigration questions are short, so your answers should be short too. It keeps the moment calm and clear.
And if you forget something, just say, "Sorry, my English is slow." It buys you a little time.
Yes, and officers appreciate honesty.
After that conversation, you finally walk toward the baggage area and you think, "Please let my suitcase be there."
Another very real moment. Most travelers experience this fear. You watch the belt turning, and your suitcase does not appear.
And everyone else picks up their luggage and leaves happily. Meanwhile, I'm still staring at the empty belt.
But the solution is simple if you know the right question. Excuse me, my luggage hasn't arrived. Who should I talk to?
Please go to the baggage service counter over there.
Thank you. I'll check with them now.
You're welcome.
The phrase, "who should I talk to?" is very useful in many airport situations, not only for missing luggage.
Yes, it sounds calm and it helps the staff guide you quickly.
And once you solve the luggage question, you can finally breathe.
A long, emotional breath. When your suitcase finally appears, you feel like you won a small prize. It's a moment of pure relief.
Yes, you feel lighter. But there is still one more moment that makes many travelers uncomfortable.
Let me guess. The signs near the exit?
Exactly. Airports often have long hallways, many doors, and different exit letters. It's easy to take the wrong one.
I have followed the wrong crowd more times than I can count.
A short question can help you quickly find the right direction.
Sometimes I walk confidently and then realize I have no idea where I'm going.
You are not alone. Many travelers feel that way in new airports. Excuse me, which way is the exit?
Go straight and turn left at the end.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
Not too far, just follow the green signs.
Which way is the exit is simple, clear, and works in every airport.
And green signs are often the universal exit color. When I see green, I walk toward it.
And once you find the right exit, the whole airport suddenly feels easier.
Yes, the hardest parts are behind you. The long lines, the questions, the missing luggage, the confusing signs, and you're finally outside.
Standing in the fresh air after a long trip is a special feeling.
It is, and all the small moments of stress slowly leave your body.
And the nice thing is, every time you travel, it becomes a little easier because you know what to say and how to stay calm.
And calm English is powerful. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to work.
Exactly. And the sentences we use today are all simple and practical. Short questions, clear answers. The kind of English that helps you move through real airport situations with confidence.
Let's look back for a moment, not to summarize, but just to notice how many different situations we covered together.
We talked about unclear announcements,
Gate changes,
Standing in the wrong line.
the security beep,
Liquid rules.
overweight bags,
Understanding flight attendants.
immigration questions,
Missing luggage.
and finding the exit.
10 real problems that many travelers worry about, and 10 sets of short, useful English that you can copy and use anywhere.
Yes, even I learned a few better ways to survive airports.
And I hope our conversation helps you feel calmer on your next trip.
We're always happy to be here with you. Thank you for spending this time with us.
And if you enjoy learning English in a slow and gentle way, you're always welcome back to English Flow Studio.
Take care and have a safe journey wherever you're going next.
See you soon.